Roadmap to become an e-commerce developer. What does an e-commerce developer do? An e-commerce developer builds and manages online stores, ensuring smooth shopping experiences, secure payments, and efficient product management. Where it's used: e-commerce is used in retail, marketplaces, startups, and global online businesses. Start with the basics. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the front end of websites. Learn front-end frameworks. Work with React, Angular, or Vue to create dynamic user interfaces. Understand backend development. Learn Node.js, Python, or PHP for handling server-side logic. Work with e-commerce platforms. Use Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento to build and manage stores. Learn database management. Understand MySQL, MongoDB, or PostgreSQL for storing product and user data. Integrate payment gateways. Learn how to implement secure payments using Stripe, PayPal, or Razorpay. Focus on security. Understand HTTPS, data encryption, and secure transactions. Learn API integration. Connect third-party services like shipping, inventory, and analytics tools. Optimize performance. Improve website speed, responsiveness, and SEO. Build real projects. Create full e-commerce websites with product listings, carts, and checkout systems. Understand user experience, UX design, smooth navigation, and easy checkout flows. Be ready for challenges. Handling scalability, security, and high traffic can be complex. Think like an e-commerce developer. Focus on user experience, performance, and conversion optimization. Build powerful online stores. Start your journey today and become an e-commerce developer driving digital business success.